MFY-CM Intelligent Leak Tester is used to test various types of packages for food, medicine, daily chemical, like plastic bags, pouches, sachets, cans, bottles, etc. It complies to the standards of ASTM D3078, GB T15171, standard test method for determination of leaks in flexible packaging by bubble emission. The instrument is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen on which can set multiple pressure levels. One-click start. Fully automatic testing. Automatic blowback after test. During the testing process, automatic pressure compensation ensures the test is conducted under the preset vacuum. Professional software has functions of multi-level user settings, permission management, audit tracking, etc. The instrument is equipped with a built-in micro printer, which provide quick printing of test results. Wet method and dry method can fulfill testing of different types of samples with different content. For more product details, please visit our website or call for inquiries.